Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you something that I think everyone needs. I'm going to tell you why. Now, this is not sponsored. I did not open it, so it will be opened with you on camera. And I'm excited because I've been holding off and putting off getting this because I know the reason why I need it is only because I need to be more careful and mindful. Now, you've probably already seen the thumbnail. This is a jump box. Now, this is my problem, guys. This is my problem. When I come home and I'm in my driveway, I'm in my garage, sometimes I may have gotten the mail before I left out and I have it in the car, or I may have gotten a call, or I might be on the phone with somebody before I enter my home. So I might stay on the phone, or I might cut the light on because I'm looking for something, trying to get, I'm the one where my car has to be clean and it has to be organized, and it definitely has to smell good. So I try to take everything I can that I brought with me that I don't need to run an errand or I need to take it back to a store, back in the house. I try not to just leave random stuff sitting in my car. So because of that, I'll cut on my overhead light. But for some strange reason, I always forget to turn it off, which is amazing, right? Because every time me and the girls are ready to go on our little date night, or, you know, go have fun or do something, I need to get a jump. Now, my daughter's truck has a little issue. She can jump me, but because of her being a teen and kind of parking too close to something, her front end of her truck got a little, not the truck, but the crash bar squeezed in. So it's hard for us to get into her hood. And so we had to call someone because we were out there freezing, and it takes like a million years to get it open. We can, but it takes a while when it's cold. You don't want to go through all that. So a neighbor, which was really cool, came and helped us last time. I said, okay, this is time number 2. Okay, girl, every time you think you're gonna jump in the car and go, you've left the light on, so nothing's coming on. So not only for that, guys, but what if you do this and you're not by your home and you're not somewhere where you can ask somebody to give you a jump? Men, women, teens, whatever, you should get this for someone as a gift. I have not tried it. I think what I will do is leave the light on purpose and try it out. And I'll try to probably put this in this video, or I'll do an update, because I hate waiting to post one video to put something in. So I'll just do an update. So this is by UTRAI, I guess that's how you say it. And it's smaller than I thought. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I thought this was going to be big. It says Jumpstart JS Star Mini, Powerful, Reliable. Now, the guy told me I wanted to at least have, what did he say? I think he said 1,000. So this is over the amount that I need. So that's a great thing. This also has USB things on it as well, is what I heard, what I seen in the review. So let me open the box. These boxes, I didn't realize it opened like this. I'm over here trying to pull this apart and all that. But anyways, it opens really easy. Oh gosh, it's even smaller. Oh my gosh, you have got to get this, guys. Like, this is going to save you when you are traveling on the road and you need a jump. You don't have to worry, especially if it's in the middle of the night and you're not by anyone. Oh my gosh, I wanted to show you guys. They packaged this very well, very well packaged. So that's all that's inside there. This was on sale. When I first seen it, it was $79. Then it dropped down to $69. Then I think it dropped down to $59. Then there was like a 10% off or 5% off or $5 off or something. And then I'll look and see. And then I used my Discover rewards, so I didn't even have to pay for this. So, yep. Gotta utilize those good credit cards for great things so you can get those rewards. And I'll talk about that in another video. I want to share that with you guys too. So, and these are what they look like. These are small and cute. I guess as long as they connect to the thing, that's all you need, right? So yeah, I can put this in my little, I have a little case that I can put this in my car. It is small. It is so small. Is this really gonna jump my car? Like, it really, but the reviews were amazing. So let me see. I thought they said this had, oh wow, look. Oh, and it has a C charger thingy. Oh, what is this? What, I guess that's, oh, that's where you put this at. Let's see, guys. These nails. I want to take them off. I've been liking them, but have been letting them grow, and I really don't like long nails, but I've been really maneuvering with them. Okay, so it goes in this way. So this is, I guess, how you prepare for the charge. And then it cycles on. So I'm showing you just the unboxing and showing you this because this is something that I think that a lot of us need to have in our car. And this is really not big at all. Like, it's in my hand. And it gives you, and it gives you a C charging. And I needed this because I had my realtor in my car. We were going around the other day, and she needed my charger and I needed my charger at the same time. So I had an extra one, but I'll just throw this one in my car as well for when people need an extra charge. But wow, okay. And I guess you power on and power off with this. I guess. I don't know. I'm not reading instructions, but I will. And I just wanted to unbox this and share this with you. Let me unplug it. Oh, geez, that's a real strong connection. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And this is all that came in the box. I actually like this. I might, I know I'm so anal, but I might just keep it in this and keep it in my trunk to keep it protected because it is a battery, and just unbox it when I need it. Or maybe I'll put it all back in here. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I can do this. That way it doesn't move in the car. Oh, and it has I forgot. Yes, it has a little flashlight. Okay. All right. All right. I don't remember reading that part, but that's an extra bonus and an extra plus. Y'all probably keep it like this because it'll be easier to access versus sliding it in and out of this. So yeah, that's that. Now I will do an updated video, and the updated video will be me allowing my car to, when I know I don't have to go anywhere, me allowing my car to drain the battery with the light overnight, and then getting up and trying to jump my car with this. But I'm gonna read the instructions and all that first because I don't want to be left needing somebody to jump me because I didn't do it right or didn't read the instructions. So I hope this was helpful to you. Oh, here it is. It says smart clamp with LED display, LED flashlight with SOS strobe mode, dual USB outputs for charging devices, and multiple protection system. Okay, so that's the UTRAI. I don't know how you pronounce that. If I'm saying it wrong, you guys understand. Okay. Oh wow, and it says for cars you need up to 1,000. So I'm good. So 12 volt gas, 6. So I guess 20 times. I don't know what this means. Does that mean you only get 20 charges out of this? Let me find that out. Start 20 times. What? Wait a minute. I might be sending this back because I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Yep. Car jump starter. All right, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you thumbs up and share. And hit the notification bell if you are new to my family. Make sure you subscribe first, then hit that bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And the way you join the family is by doing so. So I will see you guys later, Gators.